Hi, this is Kevin Tsai. I'm a technical specialist for SIMS Infrastructure Solutions. I'm reporting to Jeff Halfer. Today, I'm here to demonstrate or talk about the MDM, a few productivity apps available to you or the MDM users. So some of you might already have access to using MDM, which stands for Mobile Device Management, that replaced the old BAS solutions. So MDM is not just the way to accessing your email calendar, but it also comes with other functionality, which I want to talk to you about today. Also demonstrate some of the key functions. So the MDM voicemail, which is the voicemail for accessing your UHN email securely. If you look at the right hand side of the screen, my iPhone, I can launch the voicemail. I can get my mail, I have my calendars, and the contacts all in one apps. And all this is synchronized with your Microsoft Outlook, between your Outlook or the mobile device, phone or tablet. WorksWeb is like a mini browser. What makes it different for WorksWeb is you can have access, by default, you have access to the intranet, either internally or externally at the UHN network. Which makes a huge difference is before WorksWeb, that if you want to access the intranet outside of UHN network, you will require a VPN token. But that's not the case anymore. There's a few other case scenarios you can use for WorksWeb. Is like the incident report. So I know for incident report before that, if you're outside the UHN network, or even in the UHN network, you need to find a PC and log into intranet and file the report from there. But within the WorksWeb, you can just fill out the incident report on your mobile device, either internally or externally. And moving on to WorksNote. So WorksNote is just note-taking apps, and it's actually synchronized with your notes in the Microsoft Exchange Outlook. Yellow sticky notes, it actually is WorksNote. It will synchronize with your yellow sticky notes in the Outlook. And one thing is really useful is the share file, which I'll explain in greater detail in another video. Share file is like a Dropbox, but it's a UHN file sharing space in secure our premises in the data centers. So there are two ways to access share file. One is through the your mobile device by going through your share file, which you can upload, download files, and share the file with your other share file user or even the non-share file users. And for the PC or Mac users or other internet-enabled device, all you need is just a browser, and you just go to uhn.sharefile.com, and then you sign in, and you can access your files from anywhere without having to use the VPN token. Lastly, I want to talk about using the Citrix, the UHN WorkStore. So UHN WorkStore is like App Store, but depending on your credential, there you can access the Citrix application available to you, depending on what access level you have. So you can access EPR for the business admin people which require payroll access. They can access payroll or close the payroll using the mobile device. One thing I find it particularly useful is for a support person like me or other folks in SIMS, we find the remote desktop app is really useful, that we can actually accessing the remote desktop, log into servers without having to take out our laptops or connect to the VPN token. So here you can log in to other server if you want. If you IT admin staff, I find it really useful.